So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Gleens, and you guys, yes, I'm here. I'm back with my face, with my intros and my outros, but I will be posting 2 times a week instead of 3 times because it's getting too much for me. I'm working a lot and also making videos, so now I'm going to post on Wednesday and on Sunday, so so I can make these intros for you guys, so I have more time to invest in my videos. So yeah, you guys, in this video I'm going to show you some clear clear nails using polygel. So before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts, show me some love, and then come back and let's get into it. So here I have my nails. I have already pushed the cuticles back with my cuticle pusher. Now I'm using a small fine nail bit to get under the cuticle area because I really want this look to have a really clean cuticle area. And I'm doing that on all the nails, and after doing that I'm using this bit. This bit is like a round bit that I have got sometime in a old nail drill package. I don't have a link for you guys, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm doing that at the nail area, at the cuticle area, I'm sorry. And now I'm using my nail scissors to get off the excess skin at the cuticle area. So in this video I'm going to use some nail forms, and if you guys are following me for a while now, you guys just know that I just don't like to use forms, but I want to practice more with them and also with some polygel. So I'm using these forms that I've got in a polygel kit from Modelones, and I'm applying now a layer of my protein bond, of my super bond I mean, on the nail bed to prevent any lifting. And I'm using some clear polygel to make the base of the nail, so I'm extending the nail tip with a small amount of clear polygel. And I'm using also the slip solution from Modelones to extend the nails, and I'm just using that and wiping it off when it gets sticky, and dip it into the slip solution and extend the nails as long and the shape that I would like them to be. And I'm going to do this on all the nails. So between each nail I am flash curing the nail so the polygel will not like move or drip. So after applying the polygel on each nail, I will be flash curing it under my lamp. And now I'm getting the nail forms off and I am going to use, wow, do you hear that, you guys? It's raining so hard. Oh my god, do you hear that? So yeah, I'm getting the nail forms off and I'm using some nude polygel, also from Modelones, on the nail bed to create like that cover pink effect. And I'm doing the same thing but just only on the nail bed to cover the nail bed, and pressing it with my tip of the brush into the cuticle area and some slip solution. And now at the edge of the excess polygel, I will just scrape it off and then like smooth it in to make it kind of a ombre effect. So when we are going to apply the nail foils or glitters, I don't know how they are called or how you want to call them, you will not see that nail of your, oh my god, you guys, do you hear that? I mean the edge of your natural nail. So this is how the nails look after applying the clear on the tip and also the nude on the nail bed. And now I'm going to use the rainbow eyes from Coarse Ink Nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. I am applying a little bit of clear polygel and smudging it at the free edge area, at the transition from the nail bed to the nail tip, there where I'm going to be applying some rainbow eyes glitter. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just smoothing the polygel and applying some flakes on the still wet polygel, and that's what I'm doing, and I'm just freestyling and applying them where I would like them to be, and then I will flash cure and then go on to the next nail till I'm done with all the nails. So this is how they look after applying the flakes, and now I'm going to encapsulate the nail with some clear polygel. I'm encapsulating the whole entire nail, and you guys, I just have to say, I really have to be practicing more with this polygel because it's sticky, it's everywhere, it's just not my thing. But I really want to make more videos with polygel as you guys have asked me to do, so that's why I want to make some more videos and nail design using polygel, and maybe for you guys it's easier to use, you know, if you are a beginner, because it will not dry until you put it under the lamp. So for beginners it's a easy thing to start with, but for me, when I just work, I'm not going to use this on client because it's just a thing, it's taking me too much time. But on myself to make videos, I think it's a pretty fun process of using polygel. Yeah, I'm just enjoying the process of using it and playing around with it, you know, and find to know more about the product. So you guys, if you're still here watching, I really appreciate it that you're still here watching with me. Thank you so much. And if you are still here watching but you're not subscribed yet, go ahead on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you're the first one to know when I post in my next videos. And you guys, let me know by commenting a crystal. Let's do a crystal emoji in the comment section below so I know that you're still here. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today will be largo, and largo means long. So this is how they look after encapsulating them with the clear polygel, and now I'm using some alcohol and a non-stick wiping gel, a lint-free pad a lint-free pad wiping pad. I'm using that to clean the excess tacky layer from the polygel. And now I'm using my medium grit bit, what I would normally use with my acrylic to smooth the surface. But I find that the polygel just sticks to my nail bit and it just annoys me. So then I switched to the medium grit sanding band. In the beginning it started great, but then it also stuck and bulked up in my sanding band, so I didn't like that neither. So then I used my tornado bit, and that worked for me to smoothen the surface of the nail. So then I've used the tornado bit on all the nails to smooth the surface and to make it even. And after using the tornado bit, I'm just using my hand file to perfect the shape. So now I'm perfecting the shape with my hand file, but I will do the rest off camera because it's so difficult to perfect the shape with your hand file on camera. So I'm just going to do that off camera, and I will show you guys after I'm done filing and buffing the nails. So this is how the nails look after filing, buffing and cleaning the nails. And next I'm using the Cakes Ink Nails Gel Top Coat to apply on the nails and also underneath the nails because it's clear, to make the nail more clear. But I have to say to you guys that I think acrylic is clear, more clear than polygel. I don't think, or maybe I did something wrong, you guys tell me, but I just don't think, or I don't find that the polygel clear is that clear as acrylic would be. It's a little bit white-ish kind of vibe with it, I don't know, but it's not clear as I would like it to be when I use acrylic. But you know, I'm learning, I'm using the polygel more often, so you guys tell me in the comments below if I did something wrong. but I will cue the nails on my left, and you guys, this is the final result. Just look at this, just look at this. I'm so in love with the final result. I just love how they came out. Let me know what you guys think of this video in the comment section below. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have learned something from this video and enjoyed it, obviously, watching my videos. And only if you have enjoyed my video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And if you didn't like this video, go, maybe you can find another video of me and like it, you know, and join the family. So thank you so much for watching. Share this video and give it a big thumbs up. So you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.